So welcome to Make Mood. Today I want to share with you what I got. This is a pretty old 2004 Mazda 6S 3.0 V6. I got this car actually for 24 bottles of wine. Yes, 24. This was the sexiest car back in 2004. This car competed with Honda Accord, with the Toyota Camry, but overall, I would say the drivability, the way you can handle this car, the acceleration, even the horsepower, this was a game changer. This was a Japanese car that revolved and exploded the mid-engine size class. So I got this car for $300 and I want to share you and I want you to help me fix it. Before getting deep dive, let me share with you some things that I thought they were so cool. This car had a complete end-to-end Bose sound system, 6 speakers, tweeter, subwoofer, and an amplifier, all coming from factory OEM, so you wouldn't have to worry about, I want a really cool sound system, but I'm gonna lose my warranty. No, you are not gonna lose it. Second thing that I loved about this car, 220 horsepower, natural aspirated V6. No turbo, no complexity, you know, it's you press the gas and boom, this car goes. That's it. Third thing that I like. What's the first thing that I like? Well, it's a Japanese, of course. I love it because it's a Japanese Mazda car. I say, you know what? I want to have a Japanese old car. It's not a vintage, of course. It's not a, you know, a Supra, of course. But I paid less than $300. So 3 things I want to share with you that kindly disappointed me. First one, I bought this car thinking I'm getting a full Japanese car. Well, this guy is not 100% Japanese. Actually, it was made in the USA. It was made by the Auto Alliance International Inc. here in America. It's fine. I love America. I live in America, but it's not a Japanese car. It's a Japanese parts assembled in America by American standards, which it is what it is, but it's not Japanese. So the second thing is the engine. This 220 horsepower V6 3.0 powerful engine. It is not a Japanese Mazda engine either. So the car is not assembly in Japan, it's assembly here in the US, and the engine is actually a Ford engine. It's a Ford engine, which, yeah, we all like Fords, but my dream of the Japanese car, it's like not happening. Assembly in the USA, Ford engine. So yeah, not very much Japanese, but still, I paid it $300. So I say, you know what, I love it. I still love it. I think it's cool. I think it's beautiful. I think I can have it and I can use it as a daily driver. So now, the third point, it's quite destroyed. So it has engine oil leak, it has coolant leak, the AC is not very cold. Yes, it starts, that's a good thing, it starts. The headliner is destroyed, so no roof, kind of, no headliner. The seats are leather destroyed, so a lot of things to go through and fix. And I think that's the interesting thing, that you and me are gonna fix this. We're gonna make it not beautiful, we're gonna make it not like new, no, we're gonna make it usable. And that's my goal, and that's our challenge. Shall we make this car usable with very low budget? Before we go and start fixing it, let's go for a ride. Let's test it. our first challenge is fixing the cooling system. Let's see how it goes. I'm doing my shopping at Advanced Auto Parts online. First thing is selecting your car, and then for this project, radiator, electric fan, and the fan control module. Those are the three things that will change. For sure we'll need new coolant, so we're picking 2 gallons of those. Okay, another update. We've been already removing a bunch of parts. There you can see the radiator, the fan and the fan control module, and here you can see this beautiful Japanese design. Oh, look at this. This is so easy to work with. Yeah, I can't believe how easy it is just to replace the radiator. Wow! Already 3-4 hours in this and we are just at the middle point. We are truly at halftime. Why am I doing this? Why? Make mood. Okay, we're closing day 1. It was successful. As you can hear, the car went back to life. This day we fixed most of the coolant system, we changed the radiator, we changed electric fan and fan control module, and we filled up back the system with new coolant, new and fresh coolant. What can I say besides thank you? I hope you enjoy it. So if you like it, share some love, click subscribe, give some thumbs up, and see you next week.